Ashcroft is one of those places where community really means something. It's quiet, beautiful, and full of people who've built their lives here. Hi, I'm Steve from Riverside Energy, and today I want to share a project with you, the new seniors housing development in Ashcroft. This building is still under construction right now, but up on the roof, it's already working toward a cleaner, more affordable future. We installed 171 solar panels on a durable racking system custom built for this rooftop. This is a system designed to support the long-term energy needs of this seniors housing facility. What this really means is this building will be generating a significant portion of its own electricity, right from the start, and for decades to come. This system is expected to produce around 96,000 kilowatt hours of clean electricity every year. That's enough to power 10 Canadian homes, which helps reduce operating costs and lowers emissions at the same time. And when you're talking about housing for seniors, stable energy costs really matter. Every dollar saved on utilities is a dollar that can go back into supporting residents. And that's something we're really proud to be part of. Our crew spent days up on that roof, working alongside other trades as construction continued. It's always a bit of a dance on active sites like this. Coordination, safety, timing, but our installers did an incredible job. For us, it's not just another installation. This system feels meaningful. It's a way for the community they built to give something back to them. Over its lifetime, this system will offset a substantial amount of greenhouse gas emissions while providing renewable power year after year. We're grateful to be part of projects like this, where clean energy and community impact come together in a real, meaningful way. Solar isn't just about technology. It's about resilience, independence, and investing in the future of our communities. If you're planning a new build, or looking to add solar to an existing facility or even your home, we'd love to talk to you about how we can help make it happen.